It's mommy and son's date today, and we decided to go to this soul food restaurant that we have never tried before. This food is as good as it looks. Trust me. And I had got this peach lemonade that is so good. If you ever go to this place, it is a must try. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got real quick and hope you enjoy because I did. This food is so good, y'all. That is so good.
You turn your food up.
Mama not holding back.
Mommy and my grandma college.
I'm a fan, baby. What you call it when you be don't want to tell people stuff?
Gatekeeper.
Gatekeeper. I might not even put the name of this place up here.
I'm about to.
I'm not a gatekeeper.
You know I don't even do